In this video, I'll guide you through how you can change your name on PayPal. And if you are using a mobile device, what I recommend doing is going into your internet browser on your phone. So leave the PayPal app, open up a browser, then go to paypal.com and go and log into the account. Go to the top left and tap on the three bars like this. So in the mobile device, the menu opened, go over to the right, and as you can see, we've also got a gear. Go and click there like this. And then it will take you to your account settings, and changing your name is super easy. On your account settings, locate the section called Profile, and then you can go and see your name and literally go over to the right of your name, and as you can see, we then have the option for change name. Tap there on change name, and then what you can do is go and enter the name you want. Just make sure it's the name of your official ID. So maybe before you initially entered when you set your PayPal account up like a nickname, make sure it's your official name which matches your ID, because sometimes PayPal are going to go and ask to verify your account using a government ID like a passport, a driving license, and other information as well. So go and change it, and then you can go and tap on continue, of course. And that's how you can change your name on PayPal using mobile.